Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. We appreciate you stopping by and watching. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.